Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to Stocks Investing Science. In this video, we will look at the quarterly results and all the important updates provided in the quarterly reports for OLA Electric. As you can see, company has just released their quarterly earnings now. Um, uh, Before going on to the consolidated numbers, I will give you just a brief introduction on the company. OLA Electric Mobility is a company specializing in manufacturing electric vehicles and core components like battery packs, motors, and vehicle frames at the OLA Future Factory. With a strong focus on R&D and technology, company aims to provide high quality accessible EV products to the customers. So that's a brief introduction on the company, and also you want to know more about the business of Ola Electric and the risks that are involved and all the other important information that you want to know as a shareholder of Ola Electric. Please watch out my full in-depth analysis of Ola Electric. I will link that video in below, and please watch that video so that you will get a full understanding of Ola Electric, so that you will be full aware on the for business of Ola Electric. So with that, let's move on to the consolidated numbers. So this is the consolidated numbers for Ola Electric. Now let's look at the numbers. The numbers are in crores, and this is a recently ended quarter. This is a previous quarter, and this is a previous year June ended quarter numbers. So coming to the total income, the income has increased from 1,279 crores to 1,718 crores, accounting to a growth of almost 34% year on year. Coming to the quarter on quarter, again it has slightly increased from 1,671 crores to 1,718 crores, accounting to a growth of 3%. So coming to the total expenses, year on year it has increased from 1,461 crores to 1,849 crores, and quarter on quarter it has again increased. It is slightly decreased from 1,910 crores to 1,849 crores. So that's the total expenses. Now to look at the operating profit margins for the company. So in the previous year June ended quarter, it was at minus 14.2%. So that means if the company is spending 1 rupee, company is generating 1.4 rupees as a loss. So in the previous quarter it was at minus 14.3, slightly increased over the year, but current quarter it is sitting at minus 7.6. So the operating profits are the operating profit margins is coming in terms of the loss, it's getting narrowed down, and now we'll look at the net profits. That should be the losses for the period. So coming to the losses, year on year the losses are increasing from almost 267 crores to 347 crores. Losses have increased year on year, but quarter on quarter there is a slight decrease in terms of the losses from 416 crores to 347 crores. So that's the losses. Now let's look at the EPS. Coming to EPS, year on year the losses in terms of the operating EPS is increasing from 1.71 to 0.95, and quarter on quarter it has again slightly decreased from 1.14 to 0.95. So now let's look at the segmental numbers for the company. And so in terms of the segments, they operate in the two-wheeler segment as well as the manufacturing of the battery cells. So year on year the sales in terms of the vehicles have increased, and so as well as the numbers. So year on year, that is increased from 1246 crores to 1644 crores, and quarter on quarter it is again increased from 1598 crores to 1644 crores. Even in terms of the cell manufacturing, this in the previous quarter it has improved from 3 crores to 4 crores. So the segmental numbers are looking good, but the company is not able to generate the profits. So now let's look at the summary in terms of the percentage growth, that is in terms of the total income, as we want to cut the net profits as the numbers are in negative. So in terms of the total income, the income has increased year on year by almost 34%, and quarter on quarter it is again increased by 3%. And along with that, the operating profit margins are improving for the company, but the losses are getting increased over the years, but quarter on quarter losses are slightly decreased. But let's see how market reacts to these numbers. But what do you think on the above numbers? Please do share your valuable thoughts on the results in the comment section, and share this video with your friends, family, and also with the ones who have invested in this company, so that they will be aware of the quarterly numbers. With that, I'll come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again in my next video.